Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa has a massive shortfall of sports persons in senior category. The problem is so acute that most of sports disciplines do not even have national participation due to lack of senior players. Most of the state championships have school students competing in senior category. The Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs has identified a scheme through Vision 2020 to create thousands of senior players. Director V M Prabhudesai is confident that 8 years of grooming will produce top-class players in all sports disciplines. Since Prabhudesai has taken charge of the sports department, it seems that all the officers have received some tonic. In what could be a significant policy shaping Goa's future, Prabhudesai's team is on a mission 2020.
We lack athletes in the senior category. Barring one or two sports, maybe cricket and football and maybe kabaddi, most of the other disciplines, and for that matter a little bit of baseball and tennis ball, cricket, other games do not simply have the athletes or the players for their senior team to reinforce their senior teams. That has been the biggest folly as far as the sports of Goa is concerned, and the results will speak for it. Except 2 or 3 disciplines, we don't do well in the senior category at the senior nationals. Unfortunately, despite having 6 swimming pools, we do not have a single swimmer in the senior category or a single diver in the senior category. For that, we have devised a scheme in which about 3,000 to 4,000 young boys and girls will be chosen in different games and sports and would be groomed over a period of about 8 years. We may call it 2020 scheme, in which by the time we are at 2020, these 3,000 or 4,000 athletes in different games and sports, including athletics, football, cricket, and various other games and sports, the indigenous sports like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Mallakhamb. You name the sport, there are 28 disciplines, so you can imagine. In all the 28 disciplines, we intend to shortlist players based on their potential, their aptitude, and their attitude for sports, and groom them over a period of time, who will be later useful for the associations of various games and sports, because they are the people who are going to perform duties at the various level for the state of Goa.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Fomento-sponsored All India FIDE Rating Chess Tournament will be an excellent opportunity for budding players of Goa. The tournament will be organized by Rudreshwar Panji from 28th August to 31st August at Club Tennis de Gaspadais in Miramar. The tournament is for those chess players who have a rating below 2000, while unrated players can take part and aim to get FIDE rating.
In a press conference on Thursday, the organizers revealed the details about the Fomento All India FIDE Rating Chess Tournament, which is recognized by the Goa Chess Association and All India Chess Federation.
Altogether, cash prize amount to more than 1 lakh in all categories. All prize winners will be given even the special trophies along with this prize money. Altogether 11 prizes plus consolation prizes are there in open category, and special consolation prizes will be awarded to Goan participants.
Chess is doing very well in Goa, and a lot of young budding chess players are getting rating, and this is a good opportunity below 2000 rating. Many of our unrated players can get their rating from this tournament, and main aim is to give chance to the budding chess players.
Francisco Leum Pereira, a director of Fomento Resources, said the company sees sports development as corporate social responsibility.
The company has decided to participate in this effort of Rudreshwar Panji in conducting this All India FIDE Rating Chess Tournament. Our participation in this is basically as part of our CSR activities, that's corporate social responsibility. We have to promote anything that's healthy for a human being. And chess, as you know, is the most intellectual game, as one knows. So we are here to give some sort of feel to this game in Goa.
Our video journalist Sushant Pal from Panji.
Tender for work on Tilak Maidan is expected to be floated on Friday. The Finance Committee has finalized budgetary allocations for repairs of both the Tilak Maidan in Vasco and the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. Both tenders may be out on same day. There are about 2 months remaining for the I-League to kick off, and as such, SAG is hoping that the Tilak Maidan will be ready in time.
See, the main requirement of
SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes had told Prudent that the I-League will be hosted successfully at the Tilak Maidan in Vasco, and he remains highly optimistic of the stadium to be ready in time. Gomes is well aware of the fact that there are 2 months before the I-League kicks off. AIFF have also been requested to keep some home matches at bay for the first round of the I-League matches, so the Tilak Maidan will be completely ready for hosting matches. All formalities and closed-door meetings seem to be done and dusted with, and the tenders should be out by Friday. Sources told Prudent tenders would have been out by Thursday itself, if not for some last-minute procedures. Even if the tenders are out on Friday, SAG will be up against the wall to complete all formalities and release work orders at the soonest. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
कौन सी भाषा में लेक्चर दूं तुमको, यही मेरे आगे एक प्रश्न है. तसं माझं मराठी भाषेवरही प्रभुत्व आहे. भाषेतला गोडवा आणि त्यातलं लालित्य याचीही मला सखोल जाण आहे. I have impeccable command over English language. I can speak in English also. Estudar regularmente. हांव पोर्तुगीजूय उलोवंक शकता. म्हणटकूच हांव खंयच्याय भाशेन उलयल्यार कशें?
लुसी सर मुद्दाम उलयता. तुवें चोयलां टीव्हीचेरी विधानसभा एकलो आमदार एक दीस कोंकणीन, एक दीस इंग्लिशीन, एक दीस मराठीन सगळे लँग्वेजीन उलयता आनी आम दाखोवपाचो तें कोण कितू हुशार आहाय ते. सरूय बीन आम तेंच सजेस्ट कोता.
लोकशाय हाय हाय पळयात दर मंगळारा दनपारां 2 4 आणि रातीक 10:30 वरांचेर. बेरेस्तारा सकाळी 10:30 आणि सांजे वेळार 8:30 वरांचेर. शेनवारा 3 आणि 7